Hello everyone. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create a folder that deletes itself when a file is open. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to create a folder that deletes itself when the file is open, we are first going to create a folder on the desktop, but you can choose any location of your choice. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to right click on an empty space on the desktop, then I go to new and then folder. So I'm going to name my folder secret files. Okay, so inside the secret files, I'm going to create a self-destruct file. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to click on the search, then I click on the notepad. So at the notepad, I'm going to type this script. Okay, at echo of then timeout space /t and then 10 as in the seconds. Okay, you can reduce this if you want. Then I'll press on the enter key and then cd 2 dots and then rmdir space /s space /q and then secret files. Okay, so after we've typed the script, we are going to save it in the folder we created named secret files. So to do that, I'm going to click on the file and then save as. So I'm going to select the desktop and then I'll select my secret files. Okay, then I'll change the save as type to all files. So I'm going to name my file confidential.bat, okay, as a batch file. Then I click on save. So now we've saved the file into the secret folder we created. So let me close the notepad. Then if I go to the secret folder, you can see the file. Okay, so let me copy some other files into that particular folder. So I'm going to copy this, then I copy this. Okay, so let me paste it here. So what it does is the moment I double click on the confidential, it deletes the files in the folder and the folder as well. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to double click on that and then we see what happens. Okay, so you see it counting down from the 10. Okay, the seconds we set in the script. Okay, so let's see what happens. So everything is gone. So let me close this. So now you see on the desktop, we don't have any folder by name secret files and we don't have even the files there. Okay, and if you go to the trash, you don't have it there. It's deleted forever. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to automate that using task scheduler. So to do that, I'm going to click on the search, then I click on the task scheduler. So at the task scheduler, I'm going to create basic task. Okay, and then I'll name my task secret folder. Then I click on next. So I'm going to select the trigger. Okay, it can be daily, weekly, monthly, one time. So I'm going to select one time for demonstration purposes. Then I click on next. So I'm going to set the time. Okay, you can set the date and the time. So I'm going to change the time to is 10. So let me change it to 10:57. Okay, then I click on next. Okay, so you are going to leave the action as start a program. Then I click on next. So here at the program script, you are going to type cmd. Okay, and then the add argument, you are going to type this. Okay, so /c space rmdir remove directory space /s space /q space then we bring our quotes. Okay, and then c column / secret files. Okay, and then we bring our column. Okay, so when we are done, we are going to click on next and then we leave the default like this is the summary of what we just did. Okay, then I click on finish. But before then, we are going to create a folder on the local disk C. Okay, you're supposed to create a folder before you even go to the task scheduler. So let me go to the local disk C and then I'm going to create a folder named secret files. So new and then folder. So I'm going to name it secret files. Okay, so let me close the local disk C. So if I go back to the task scheduler, and then I scroll down to my secret file, and then I click on the run. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let me go back to the local disk C. Okay, now you see we don't have the secret file in the local disk C. Okay, so this is how to automate the self-destruct folder. Okay, you can do it the manual way or the automated way. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.